morning, everyone. And my name is Manju, and I'm a third-year PhD student in basic medical science. And my lab focuses on cancer research. So today, I'm going to talk about what is cancer, and what am I doing in my research field. So first, I'm going to introduce the outline. What do molecular cancer biologists do? And what is molecular cancer biologist? And what is cancer? And what is the cancer therapy nowadays doctor use in the hospital or medical research? And what am I doing? What kind of research am I doing right now? So, what is molecular cancer biologist? My friend thinks I play with mice every day, and because I do a lot of animal model for cancer research. So, yeah. And what society think I do? I remember that when I came to America at the first time, there was custom asked me, what will you do in America? I say, I'm doing cancer research. And they ask, are you a doctor? And after coming to America, when I met people, and everyone asked me, are you a doctor? Why are you doing cancer research? No, I'm not a doctor. I'm just a molecular cancer biologist. Doctor is more practical. They use the strategy and the drug we invented and to cure patients. And we are design the strategy for therapy or invented some new drugs. And what my mom think I do, because I entered lab in my junior year in my college, so I need to spend every holidays and weekend in the lab. So every time my mom called me, I'm in the lab. Yeah. So, and what I think I do? I think I'm doing some high-tech research, and I can control life, control cells, and sometimes I think I'm a god or something. But what I wish I could do, because our focus is on cancer research, so one day I hope we can cure cancer. But what really I do is gambling. Not that kind of gambling in this picture. The gambling is that we need to make hypotheses. We need to predict a drug work or not. And we need to do a lot of experiments to support the hypothesis. So every time, every step I do is a gambling. So after a brief introduction of molecular cancer biologist, next I'm going to introduce what is cancer. So cancer is a group of diseases identified by uncontrolled cells growth and proliferation. In this picture is a normal tissue. You can see cells grow like in order and layer by layer. But in cancer, it is abnormal cell growth. Cell growth out of control, pile up to each other and become a bulk of tumor. So what causes cancer? There are several factors here. The first one might be virus. Some virus, if you infected by virus, your cells will grow out of control, then become cancer. Or genetic makeup. Sometimes after some drugs or some situation, your DNA got mutation. Then DNA go bad, and then cell replicate and pass the bad DNA to their daughters or their son. Or immune status. If your immune system is very weak, and it is a high possibility that you will get cancer. And radiation. Radiation is like if you get access to a lot of sunlight, or you don't know how to protect yourself, sometimes you will get a skin cancer. And carcinogens. If you drink a lot of alcohols, have a lot of cigarettes or drugs, this kind of things will also cause cancer. And so after the brief introduction of cancer, I want to show you how cancer develops. So this is a normal layer of cells, but if the cells access to the factor I mentioned before, it will get mutation. So this yellow cell become just one got mutation and become pink cells. So the pink cell grow, and then maybe this one of the pink cells got the second mutation, because you continue to assess that kind of carcinogens, it become a pink, purple cells. It's called second mutation. And then the purple cells, you still drink a lot of alcohol and cigarettes, and it got mutation again, become a deep purple cells, called third mutation. And then also another mutation again, so tumor form. Like cells pile up to each other and become a very big bulk of tumors. So, but here, cells pile up together and they are very crowded. They can get enough nutrition, so they will secrete something to attract vessels, to attract blood to this site. So it's called angiogenesis. They will try to find some nutrition in your body and to help tumor cells to grow. But finally, this nutrition cannot support their growth, so they want to escape from that site. So they will invade into the vessel and go with the bloodstream. So after they go with the bloodstream, they will go to other sites of your body, because maybe first time you got the breast cancer, and then they migrate, like it's called metastasis, to your brain or your liver, to find another place have more nutrition. So this is a development of cancer. And what kind of cancer therapy we use right now in hospital? First one is chemotherapy. We use drugs to target cancer cells. We make it die or to suppress, to stop the growth of tumor cells. And another thing is radiation therapy. We use radiation like X-ray or radiation to shed on the cancer cells and break their DNA and make the cell dead. And third one, recently more and more research said that there are some food that have anti-cancer ability. Something like green tea, ginger, tomato, garlic. But the effective ingredient in this food is very, very low. You need to eat tons of garlic, drink tons of green tea, can cure cancer. So nowadays scientists try to extract the effective ingredient in this kind of fruit. So, but if you access to this food like every day in your daily life, maybe you can have possibility to reduce cancer happening. And the research I'm doing is recently scientists found that there is a subpopulation, small population of cells in tumors. It's called cancer stem cell. It is a root of cancer cells. Every tumor grows from these cells. So why traditional therapy? Sometimes we treat patients with traditional therapy, but after 5 years or 10 years, cancer recur, cancer come back. Because traditional therapy cannot kill this root of cancer cells. It just can kill other cancer cells. But this cancer stem cell remain and it recur to cancer. They grow back to a cancer. So the research I'm doing right now is we try to find some molecular markers to target this cancer stem cell, or we do some drug screening to find some Chinese herbal medicine or some medicine to target this cancer stem cell. If the drug kill the cancer stem cell, the tumor will lose ability to regenerate new cells. And then if we combine with traditional therapy, the tumor will degenerate. So there's a basic idea of what I'm doing right now in my PhD, and previous I also did the same thing in my master's degree. And we hope one day, we also always hope one day we can cure cancer. I remember that when I entered graduate school for my master's degree, my professor told me maybe we can cure cancer in 5 days, 5 years, because we have that cancer stem cell model. But after 5 years, I'm still here. I'm still doing cancer research. So I hope in the future, one day we can really find a therapy or way to cure these kind of things. Thank you very much.